Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and futuristic concept cars ever built, the Aura concept, often mistakenly called the BMW Aura by some enthusiasts. While it's not actually a BMW project, it looks and feels every bit like the kind of vehicle you'd expect from a premium car maker. This electric roadster is the perfect showcase of what happens when innovation, sustainability, and high performance come together in a single package. And for the next several minutes, we're going to take a closer look at every aspect of this incredible machine, from its design and aerodynamics, to the battery technology, to its eco-friendly interior, and what it could mean for the future of electric sports cars. Let's begin with the overall concept and origins of this car. The Aura is not the work of one giant automaker. Instead, it was born from a collaboration of 4 different British companies: Astheimer Design, BAMD Composites, Kunjer, and Potenza Technology. Each of these firms brought something unique to the table. Astheimer focused on the sleek, futuristic design. BAMD worked on the lightweight composite body materials. Kunjer took care of the high-tech digital interfaces inside the car. And Potenza Technology managed the powertrain and battery systems. Together, they set out to build not just a beautiful sports car, but a showcase of sustainable innovation, funded in part by the UK government's Office for Zero-Emission Vehicles. When you first see the Aura, its design immediately grabs your attention. It's a 2-seater, open-top roadster that looks as though it's been shaped by the wind itself. The body is crafted in a teardrop shape, one of the most aerodynamic profiles possible. Every detail of the car has been refined using computational fluid dynamics to ensure minimal drag and maximum efficiency. From the covered rear wheels, which reduce turbulence, to the sharp front air curtains that channel air around the body, to the dramatic rear diffuser that manages airflow at the back, the Aura has been designed to slip through the air like a jet fighter. But the Aura isn't just about performance, it's also about sustainability. Instead of traditional metals and plastics, many of its body panels are made from bio-based composite materials. BAMD Composites developed natural fiber fabrics and resins that are strong, lightweight, and eco-friendly. Inside, the car avoids animal-based leathers and instead uses vegan, sustainable alternatives that still give a premium feel. This shows us a glimpse of what the future of car interiors could look like: luxurious and sustainable at the same time. Now let's talk performance. Powering the Aura are not 1 but 2 battery packs. Each pack has a capacity of 44 kilowatt-hours, bringing the total to 88 kilowatt-hours. One pack sits under the bonnet at the front, while the other lies under the car's floor. This arrangement doesn't just give the Aura excellent range, it also balances the car's weight distribution, improving handling and driving dynamics. With this setup, the Aura claims an impressive 400 miles of driving range on a single charge. That's about 644 kilometers, a number that puts it ahead of many current production EVs. For a lightweight roadster, this is a game-changer, showing how efficiency and clever engineering can rival even the biggest battery electric vehicles on the market. As for the driving experience, the Aura was designed with drivers in mind. Unlike many modern cars that overload drivers with complex menus and countless buttons, the Aura keeps things simple but futuristic. The steering wheel itself contains a self-leveling digital display, meaning that no matter how much you turn the wheel, the display always stays upright and easy to read. This display shows key information such as speed, range, and energy usage. In the center of the dashboard, a 10-inch touchscreen powered by Android Automotive OS serves as the main control system. This makes the Aura the very first British car to feature Android Automotive as its native operating system. What's even more impressive is how the system works. Instead of giving vague range estimates like many EVs do, the Aura uses real-time data from sensors and aerodynamics to calculate a range prediction that's accurate within 0.5%. That means if the car says you have 200 miles left, you can trust that number almost completely. The system also provides driving feedback to help you maximize efficiency, teaching you how your driving style affects range and aerodynamics. It turns every trip into not just a drive, but an interactive learning experience. From the outside, the Aura may look like a futuristic show car, but this is no static prototype. The Aura is fully road legal and has been tested on real roads. Unlike many concepts that are built just to sit on display stands at auto shows, this car is a functioning demonstration of technology, and that makes it even more special. It's proof that sustainable materials, advanced aerodynamics, and cutting-edge technology can all be combined in a real, working vehicle. So what does this mean for the future of sports cars? Traditionally, when people think of sports cars, they imagine roaring engines, aggressive exhaust notes, and pure mechanical performance. The Aura, however, suggests a new vision of performance, one that is silent, sustainable, and smart. Its lightweight design, aerodynamic body, and efficient powertrain show that speed and sustainability can go hand in hand. For enthusiasts, it may not have the sound of a V8 or the smell of burning fuel, but it offers something different: instant torque, incredible range, and a design philosophy that looks toward the future rather than the past. Of course, the Aura itself is not going into mass production. It was never intended to. Instead, it serves as a research and development platform, a way to show the world what is possible when creativity and technology meet. The lessons learned from building this car could influence future electric sports cars from major manufacturers. In fact, looking at the Aura, you can easily imagine how a company like BMW, Audi, or even Aston Martin could take inspiration from its ideas and bring something similar to production. In summary, the Aura concept, sometimes mistakenly referred to as the BMW Aura, is one of the most exciting electric prototypes of recent years. It blends sleek design, advanced aerodynamics, eco-friendly materials, cutting-edge battery systems, and futuristic technology in one package. It proves that the future of driving doesn't have to be boring, and that electric cars can be both sustainable and thrilling. While you won't be able to buy one anytime soon, the influence of the Aura is likely to be felt in the coming years as more and more automakers adopt its ideas. So, what do you think? Is this the kind of future sports car you'd love to see on the road, or do you think traditional gas-powered sports cars still have the edge when it comes to excitement? The Aura makes a strong case that electric doesn't mean compromise, it can mean innovation, creativity, and a whole new driving experience.